conversation today with NPR, Spicer makes it clear that when President Trump indulged in alternative facts, it wasn't his job to correct the commander-in-chief. Here's Mara Lice.
Sean Spicer has written a new book chronicling his tumultuous tenure behind the White House briefing room podium. NPR asked him what he did when the president tweeted something that was untrue.
As a spokesperson, we're not up there to play referee. It's to say this is what he thinks and believes.
Spicer also discussed what he called his own worst moment when he adamantly insisted the president's inaugural crowd was the biggest ever. Spicer said, "I can only say that's what I'd do over." Mara Liasson, NPR News, Washington.
President Trump's controversial summit this week with Russian leader Vladimir Putin continues to put a cloud over the White House after Trump sided with Putin in contradicting his own intelligence agency's assessment that Russia undermined the U.S. political process. Trump backtracked yesterday saying he misspoke, but today he again contradicted the U.S. intelligence community's conclusion that Russia was still working to undermine our democratic system. His reaction from Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer.
President's reluctant, ham-handed, half-hearted clarification yesterday, clarification in quotes, almost entirely reversed this morning, is woefully inadequate.
Today also found White House press secretary explaining that when the president was asked if he believed Russia is still targeting the U.S., and he said no, no actually meant no more questions. Stocks finished mixed today on Wall Street. The Dow rose 79 points. You're listening to NPR News. At least 19 asylum seekers have drowned near the Mediterranean island nation of Cyprus today, as Parakakissis tells us that most of the 150 migrants on board the ship were rescued.
That was beautiful.
The Turkish Coast Guard rescued 103 migrants after their ship sank off the coast of northern Cyprus, which has been occupied by Turkey since 1974. Turkey has long been the main launching point for migrants trying to cross the Aegean Sea to Greece, which is part of the European Union. In 2015, more than 1 million asylum seekers, many of them fleeing wars in the Middle East, made this dangerous crossing. The EU was initially welcoming, but as people kept coming, anti-immigrant populists won out. A 2016 deal with Turkey sharply reduced the number of migrants crossing the Aegean Sea, but they're still crossing the Mediterranean from North Africa to Italy and Spain. For NPR News, I'm Joanna Kakissis in Athens.
Turn left.
The Federal Reserve Chairman says the central bank has tools it could use to cushion the adverse effects of a potential trade war that it might have on the U.S. economy. But Fed Chair Jerome Powell today told Congress it could be challenging if retaliation